In this video I'll be showing us on hi everybody. So in this video I'll be showing us on how to mine this particular website for free and withdraw your money. You can see that this particular account is already mining. All right, so just note that you cannot actually have more than one account on this particular site, okay, doing this particular tax. There's nothing you're doing much here. Okay, when I registered this thing, I thought it was a joke. Okay, when it was relieved in my update platform where I receive updates, and there was withdrawal slip that was actually proven to be what they've withdrawn here. So at this point I decided to log in, to join, to subscribe actually, you understand. So you can see I registered and everything is working perfectly. You can see it's mining. You can see I just started few minutes ago, and you can see how it's so fast to mine. Immediately it gets to $1, you can actually withdraw this money to your wallet. Okay, you can actually withdraw it to your wallet. Now you can see how it is. So this is free. It's free, like it's free. You don't need to put in money here. It's just for free. I did not pay money. I did not put in any money here. I just started mining, and there's nothing you're doing much. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to register here. All right, so I'll be logging out from this account. So let me log out from this account so that I can start the registration afresh. So let me log out from this account. All right, let me log out from this particular account. You can see minimum withdrawal is $1. So if it's up to $1, you can withdraw your money. You can withdraw money. So let me log in. Let me go to my WhatsApp. Okay, let me go to my WhatsApp. Yes, let me click the link from here. All right, so I'll click the link like this. When I click the link like this, now you can see it's bringing me here because they are not allowing me to because earlier I tried okay, so let me cancel them here. Let me cancel. Okay, let me cancel. When I come over here, I will click on the link. So as I've clicked it's still bringing me back here. So I was supposed to see a place to log out. Okay, I don't know if I was trying to, I don't know. I'm going to show us how to register on this particular account. So when you register, when you click on the link, okay, I'll be dropping the link here. All right, so this is a free update too. You're not going to pay for it. You're not paying for it. So and you're not putting any money here. All right, so just what you will do when you click on this link or on the link, it will take you to, you see this interface, but this particular interface is going to be where you see create account. So click on that create account. So you see login, you see email, you see phone password. Right now there you now see create account, something like that. So now what you're going to do, that place that there is login, you are seeing login, what you will type there is your username. For example, if your username is Nkechi12 or Nkechi56 or let me say Blessing12 or Blessing56, so anything, or John11 or John, maybe put in something to make it unique. Do you understand? Because you don't know how many people must have answered a particular name. So it's a username. It's not your account name, it's not your bank name, it's not your full name. It can be any name that you chose to answer. Remember, in this your IP, in this your phone, you can only have one account. You can only have one account. So when you see that login, you put in your username that you want to answer. All right, then the next thing is to input your email address. Make sure the email address is correct. Then the next one is set your password. All right, then save it if you want to save. Then create account. Now your account is created. So what you will do, okay, you come here, you will see something like collect. Are you seeing this collect? Are you seeing this collect here? Just tap on it. When you tap on this collect, you start mining. Are you hearing me? You start mining. So that is how to mine this, and immediately gets to $1, you can actually withdraw it. All right, my upline has been withdrawing, so I just decided to make this video to bring it to us. So me, I just started today because I was like, anything that has to do with wallet, those kind of a thing. But actually, it's simple. Imagine that you are mining this and you are mining, and you understand. So immediately you get to $1, you can withdraw it out, or if you want to leave it there for it to grow. But people want to believe, people want to see, so you can actually place your withdrawal and you get your money. So I will also tell you, in my next video I'll be posting how to withdraw your money, okay, how to withdraw your earnings from this particular site. Okay, actually I brought down some of my videos concerning NRC for the last videos I made. Of course, you guys are amazing. All right, you guys are amazing, and I'm so sorry for leaving you guys for a very long time. I was actually devastated. I felt so bad because I just joined the system newly, like a kind of, let me say, for some months, like I always say, and I've always told you guys, I just joined the platform newly. So I've not been like I've not and really enjoy the platform, but the enthusiasm made me to come here to actually tell us how the platform, like how to register on the platform and how to go about it, knowing, seeing how the platform was going so well, and everything about the platform, everything they promised or they claimed to be doing for us, or they've been doing. So those are the things that actually motivated me to actually come here. But it is well, I'm very sorry for leaving you guys for a very long time, not because I've not been feeling bad, because I've really missed you guys. So in my next video I'll be showing us how to withdraw your earnings from this particular site. Remember, I still remain the person that gives out legit updates, and if you really want to make money passively and you can risk, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you know how to risk, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link on the comment section. So when you come to the when you visit the WhatsApp, anything you want, you can ask your question, join the group. Okay, join the group if you want to join the group. Of course, I'll be dropping the link on the comment section or the description of this video, so you can always find the link of this of my WhatsApp channel. All right, and if you also need the link of this, I think I'll be dropping it on the description of this video. On the description of this video, I'll be dropping this link, so you can click on the link and start mining for free. You're not depositing money, you're not paying money here. This is for free. This is an update. This is a free update. All right, so if you also want a paying investment that you can actually make with small money, like 10,000, 5,000 naira, actually is available. If you want, you can DM me. You can actually click the link to join my WhatsApp group, request for anything that you want. Okay, like before, I do put in my phone number. I'm so sorry, because what happened when I brought out those videos, I didn't want people kept on calling me. They kept on disturbing, and the thing was frustrating because I was already depressed, already passing through pains concerning what has happened on the NRC. So that was how I brought down those videos, because I didn't want, I put in on my phone numbers in those videos, and it really hurts me because I brought down those videos. Okay, so let's keep moving and keep soaring like kings and queens we are. See my next video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I have legit update too, at least something that can be providing daily breads. Okay, all right. So if you're interested, and if you know that you want to you want to aim passively, you want update, you want someone that can be giving you correct update, at least that can be providing, that can be actually dropping something in your pocket every day, DM me. Okay, join the WhatsApp group, like I said. Okay, send me a message. Of course, when you join the WhatsApp group, make yourself visible, comment whatever you want to comment, come to the comment section. I will actually respond to you. Share the video so that it will get to many people, because many people don't know this particular update. This is free update. Share it to people that say, okay, they don't have enough or they don't have money to do any investment, but let them start mining this, and it's going to help. All right, it's going to help. So see you in my next video. Have a blissful loves, you guys. Bye for now.